Look at this bread, crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful inside, and that smell, pure heaven. Today I show you how to make a healthy sourdough rye bread, full of flavor, made with simple ingredients and no yeast. To refresh your starter, mix it with flour and water and leave it overnight. Inside this jar, millions of tiny organisms start to work, turning flour into something alive. That's what makes sourdough special. It's all natural, easy to digest, and rich in flavor. Mark the level, close the lid lightly, and let it rest overnight. A warm room helps the natural yeast grow strong and active. While you sleep, your starter wakes up, growing, breathing, getting ready to bake something wonderful. Add the water to a large bowl, then your active starter. Mix until the starter dissolves. This helps spread all that wild yeast evenly. Now add your flours, the bread spice, honey and salt. As you stir, it starts to smell earthy and sweet. That's how you know it's going to be good. If the dough is a bit sticky, don't worry. Rye loves to stick. Just keep mixing until everything comes together. Now use your hands. This is where the dough starts to come alive. It will feel sticky at first, but that's okay. Just mix until well combined. Cover it with a linen towel and let it rest for about 6 hours. Be patient, rye dough needs time. After the first rise, dust your countertop and proofing basket with flour. Gently take the dough out of the bowl, fold it and shape it into a round loaf and place it inside the proofing basket. Cover it again and let it rest for 2 more hours. While the dough rests, preheat your oven to 435 Fahrenheit or 225 Celsius with a cast iron pot inside. The pot needs to be hot when we add the dough. Place your dough on a parchment paper and score it with a sharp knife. This helps it open beautifully in the oven. Now carefully place it into the hot pot. Be careful here, it's extremely hot. Cover it with the lid and bake for 50 minutes. The steam trapped inside will create a perfect crispy crust. After 50 minutes, remove the lid and bake for another 10 minutes at slightly reduced heat. This gives your crust that perfect golden color. And here it is, your healthy sourdough rye bread. It's hearty, rustic and full of flavor.